Hi, my name is Monique Graham, and today I'm going to talk to you about sneeze guards. As we all move forward and prepare to open, we need to make sure that our spaces are conducive for our employees and for our clients that are coming into the space and interacting with them, and everyone feeling safe. Sneeze guards are the perfect solution. It's just an acrylic plexiglass sort of barrier. It provides a pass-through so that you can, still, as far as pass through product or your credit card machine or what have you. We currently have them in stock, and we carry them in a variety of sizes and styles. But the main thing when you're looking at purchasing one of these is that you're providing enough barrier space between yourself and your client. A lot of these are portable, and you can just sit them on top of your desktop, or you can sit on your countertop, or what have you. There's also some that clamp down or screw down and whatnot. But we invite you to come down and see what we have and see how we can help you prepare your space to be COVID-19 friendly.